Hey guys, welcome to Uncover Tech, and today we have a new box today. So this is SADES K10 mechanical keyboard. So yeah, it's gonna be fun to unbox this. So let's get into it. So shall we? This is the back of it with the layout of the keyboard and all the stuff. I'm not gonna go through it. So I'm gonna unbox it right here. Yeah, I have my laptop here just for the power up. So first we have some manuals. So yeah, I really can't read it. If you can read it, can you focus? Yeah, so if you can see, it doesn't work. More manuals. So this is the official, I think, instruction. It's in English, so I'll be able to read it. So yeah, just keep aside. We have a code, some stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw it. We have, oh, we just missed it. So we have a key remover. Yeah, it looks like a key remover. So yeah, a plastic cover to cover the keyboard, and let's take the baby out. Alrighty, so yeah, this is the keyboard there. First impression, looks good. The way the layout is black, gold goes with it, with the Brilliant logo here, SADES. Yeah, so let's fire up. I kind of like the way the keys are raised, because my old keyboard keys are a bit down, so sometimes it gets difficult to press the button. So yeah, it has a lot of functions. So guys, I forgot to mention that the wire is braided wire with the gold and white, and with the plastic on top of it, so you can actually see the wire inside it. And this is the interference tab something, and the USB connector with the SADES logo in it. So if you can see, let me just keep focus it. Yep, there we go. Yeah, and then this is the wire. Yep. Oh yeah, so yeah, and then yeah, the way the key, I'm gonna show you how to remove the key later in the video, so stay tuned. Also guys, this has the strip for keeping the cord, like shortening the cords basically. So if you just do this, and then if you want to tug if you have extra cord, then you want to do some cable management, this is great for this. So just wrap it around, and then you're done basically. Let me just, yeah, I'm having some difficulty. So yeah, this is how you do it, and which is a great feature as well in this thing. I loved it personally. So this is the way the keyboard comes. So when you open the keyboard and plug it in, there will be no light shown. In the instruction it says press function key plus the insert key, but I tried, it doesn't work. So you have to actually press function key and screen lock key here, SL basically. Okay, so if you press this, it will turn off, and this if you keep holding function key and keep pressing SL, you can go through all the lighting system. So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna just change it back to the normal. So the good thing about this keyboard is that I like the sound. Basically, I like the sound. Look at it, listen to the sound. But one negative aspect of this is that if you see the enter key is like a bit small, I don't like that. And when I try to plug it in, it's like the layout is way different for me, because the hashtag should be here, not there. At should be not there, it's on the 2 basically. If you can see, if it's on the 2, and yeah, so I had to change my setting keyboard layout to USA to get the function keys right. So it's like opposite. And yeah, so well, there's one good thing about this keyboard as well, that you can decrease the light settings. So if you press, hold the function key and press up or down key, if you press up, it increases the brightness, and if you press the button key, it decreases the brightness. So yeah, that's one good thing about it. And yeah, how to remove, so let's get back into how to remove the key. So to remove the key, basically you just take the key remover, plug it, push it right underneath the key, as you can see. Let me just, if you can see, yeah, so right underneath there. Yeah, this keyboard has so many functions. For example, changing the light settings, we already discussed that. If we press F10 and we discussed that, it comes, you can press buttons and it lights up. This is another function of it. And one more function is this. So if you press this, like whole area lights up. If I press this, so I think it's 1, 2 up and 2 downs, I think. Yeah, 2 up and 2 downs. Which is a great thing. And this is another. So we can also press a function key and this to decrease the speed of the transition of the light, or increase the transition of the light, which is a great thing. I love having some lighting on my desk and stuff, which is pretty sick. And yeah, so guys, this keyboard has another functions as well, setting up your own keys. So if you press function key and +1, it comes to some buttons that you use in the games. I did this for the gaming. I tried it, so just to let you know. And then if you press F3, you can function it as well. So I think you can do only 3. Yeah, you can only do 3 of them. So if you press function key and 1, and then if you want to set your own keys, press function and then print screen button up here, PS. So the light goes up. This lights up and flashes these 3 lights. So now, for example, I play CS:GO. So if you want to set games for CS:GO, we obviously know WASD are the ones. Q for changing the weapon, R for reloading, U for in chat, Y for global chat, G for getting a gun, F for just, and then Control Shift, F5 for and then E for me to go. So and then when you're done laying out the keys you want, setting the keys you want, just press a function and print screen, and then yeah, there you go. So if you change to another and you want to go back to the set it up function keys, just press F1 function key and 1, and you get your layout back again. So this is a great thing. I personally liked it, and I just noticed well, I forgot to mention it in my previous clips, that they also have numpad as well, which is a great thing. I personally like numtabs because I do a lot of working as well. So yeah, I personally love the numtab, having it there. Most game keyboard doesn't have it, which I don't know why. But also, if you're gaming and you accidentally press some buttons, you can just press F. For example, I do a lot of time press Windows key because it's next to the control button, my crouch. So I had to turn on the Windows key, you just press function and then Windows key, and it locks the scene. You see a light here, the last light lights up. So yeah, and then to turn it on back, you just press that again. So yeah, that's the great thing about it. And yeah, there's nothing much about it. I like the design of it, gold and black, which is great. I like it a lot. So yeah, guys, this is Uncovered Tech. And yeah, if you guys want this keyboard, I will leave the link in the description. And yeah, thanks to eHappy Store for providing this keyboard. And yeah guys, if you like this video, then please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.